Hire, meaning, hire means to employ someone for a job or service. In a sentence, the company plans to hire more staff next month. Higher, meaning, higher means having a greater height or level. In a sentence, the bird flew to a higher branch on the tree. Comparison sentence. They decided to hire a professional to paint the higher walls of their house. Meaning, die means to stop living or to cease functioning. Dye means to color something, often fabric, hair, or materials. In a sentence, plants will die without enough sunlight and water. Here, D refers to ceasing to live. She decided to dye her hair a vibrant shade of blue. Here, dye refers to coloring hair. Quick tip. Dye to stop living. Dye to color something. Meaning, seam refers to the line where two pieces of fabric or material are stitched together. Seam means to appear to be something or to give an impression. In a sentence, the seam of her dress ripped just before the party. Here, seam refers to the stitched line of the dress. He seems happy with his new job. Here, seam refers to the impression of happiness. Quick tip. Seam, a line of stitching. Seem to appear or give an impression. Subscribe for more words like this. See you!